The Tortoise and the Birds. In a time when the earth and sky were closer together, the tortoise, known for his cunning ways, learned about a great feast in the sky organized by the birds. Eager to attend, the tortoise devised a plan. He approached the birds and begged for their help. "Dear friends," he said, "lend me feathers so I can fashion wings and join you in the sky." The birds, though wary, were moved by his plea and each contributed a feather. Soon, the tortoise had a pair of beautiful wings. As they flew to the sky, the tortoise came up with another scheme. He suggested that they adopt new names for the feast. "I will take the name All of You," he declared, explaining it was for the sake of unity. The birds agreed, not suspecting any trickery. At the feast, the hosts announced, "The meal is prepared for all of you." The tortoise, true to his cunning nature, stood up and said, "I am all of you, so this meal is meant for me." He ate to his fill, leaving only scraps for the birds. Furious, the birds plotted revenge. On their way back to Earth, they reclaimed their feathers, leaving the tortoise stranded in the sky. Left with no choice, the tortoise let himself fall to the ground. He landed hard, cracking his smooth shell into the many pieces that make up a tortoise's shell today. Moral of the story: this tale often teaches lessons about greed, deceit, and the consequences of selfishness, reminding listeners to act with honesty and fairness.